everyone. Today we talk about Tamires Ramos Silva. Tamires Ramos Silva, known as Tamires Ramos. She is a Brazilian plus size model, fashion model and social media personality. She was born on 18 June 1997 in Sao Paulo, Brazil. Her astrological sign is Gemini. Tamires grew up with a passion for fashion and creativity, which later helped her build a successful career in modeling. Tamires started her journey on Instagram in 2013. She began posting photos and videos that celebrated her natural curves and confident style. Very soon her stunning looks and positive energy attracted a large number of followers. People loved her confidence, beauty and the way she represented plus size women with pride. Today she is admired by thousands for being real, bold and inspiring. As a curvy model, Tamires has worked with many well-known clothing brands. Some of the companies she has modeled for include Eloah, Angelica, Moda Plus Size, Dadric Jeans, Origem and several others. This collaboration gave her a chance to showcase fashion for curvy women and prove that style has no size limits. Apart from being a model, Tamires is also a content creator and influencer. She uses her platforms to share not just fashion but also lifestyle content, body positivity and messages of self-love. She inspires women to embrace their natural bodies and to feel confident in their own skin. She shows that beauty comes in all shapes and sizes and encourages others to break free from traditional beauty standards. Tamires Ramos continues to grow as a model and influencer. With her charm, dedication and confidence, she is making her mark in the fashion world, while spreading a powerful message of acceptance and positivity.